everybody! Welcome to another episode of Sravya's Wonderland! Today we are going to be making a yummy, special, tasty oven biryani. And do you guys know why I chose this biryani? Because at my house, my parents make all kinds of biryani. Dum biryani, normal biryani, cooker biryani, and oven biryani. And why I chose oven biryani is because it's very, very easy to cook. So you guys come along with me. Let's make a yummy, special oven biryani. So usually for a biryani, we prefer to use basmati rice. So here I have 1 glass of washed basmati rice. So now I need to pour some water in it so we can soak the rice. Oops, I spilled some, but that's okay. Woo! Some of the rice are floating and lots of them are sinking. So for the rice to soak, we need about 45 minutes. So I'm just gonna move the rice to this side and wait for it to soak. So while the rice is soaking, we are gonna marinate our chicken. So here I have 300 grams of chicken. Okay, and also this chicken is washed and also sliced into small pieces. So now I'm gonna be marinating the chicken. So what we need for marinating the chicken is 1.5 spoon of red chili powder. But if you don't really like spiciness, you don't need to really put that much. So put all the red chili powder. Now we need about 1 spoon of coriander powder. And we need 1/2 spoon of turmeric powder. We need 1/2 spoon of black pepper powder. Okay, so this is around 1 spoon of salt. And also 1 spoon of lemon juice. So I've put all the spices in, so can I mix it?
No, yogurt.
Oh, now I remember yogurt. Okay, thank you. So this is 1 spoon, right?
Yeah, 1 spoon of yogurt.
Okay. It looks like more than 1 spoon of yogurt. Okay.
Yeah, now you can mix it.
Okay, now I'm gonna mix it. Put all your energy into this so all of the powders and lemon juice will mix into the chicken pieces. Dad, is that enough mixing?
Yes, now add ginger garlic paste.
The chicken doesn't look normal because we have all the powders.
Yeah, here that.
Oh, okay, there it is. Now I'll just use the same spoon again. 1 spoon.
Yeah, 1 spoon. Yeah.
Now I need to mix it again because we have a new powder. Now we're going to keep this marinated chicken for 30 minutes. Now it's the time for cooking. So before that, we have to preheat the oven for 10 minutes. And now I'm gonna use this tray for my biryani. Now it's the time to put my chicken in the tray. So now we can spread the chicken in the tray. And also now we have to pour 1 spoon of oil. Yay! I used vegetable oil And also I forgot to tell you, if you don't have black pepper powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, you can just get the biryani powder or the chicken powder from the shops. So now we need to put this in the oven for 10 minutes. Dad, could you please help me?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Ooh, it's a little hot, so I might want to stay a little backwards. So, at my house, we make different types of biryanis. So, there is chicken biryani, beef biryani, lamb biryani, fish biryani, egg biryani, and vegetable biryani. So, at my house, when my parents make biryani, they always put a boiled egg at the top as a side dish. I love it. So I asked my dad to boil some eggs for me. Dad, it's already have been 10 minutes. Can you take the chicken out? So here we have the chicken half cooked, and for the soaked rice, have drained it up. Now on the same tray as we have the chicken, we're gonna put the rice in. Whoa. Try not to spill any. It's the exact same thing. We have already put the rice, so now it's time to put the spices. So this is the fennel seeds. So just sprinkle the fennel seed. This is the black pepper. This is a bay leaf, and just put that as one. This is cinnamon stick, so I'm gonna put that in. This is cardamom. This is the star anise, and I need to break this up, right? And do I have to put these in? Okay. So we need to put some fried onions. So if you don't have the fried onion, you can just slice an onion and then just fry it in oil and put it. And this is the coriander leaves chopped up. So I need to sprinkle that as well. And this is the ghee. So I took 1 glass of rice. So I need 1.5 glass of water, so I'm going to pour the water. Now it's the time for me to mix it well. Okay. Mix it from each side, and also just don't do it too hard from each corners as well. So instead of mixing it in a circle, get like this and then like that, so every layer gets like mixed up well. Yeah, so now it's mixed up well, so I'm just going to check the salt. So oh yeah, that's not enough salt, so I'm just going to get some more salt, and now I need to mix it again. So now we need to wrap this with foil paper. So don't press inward, just don't press it in, put it straight, and on each corner just put your fingers around each corner like this. Now it's the final stage. We need to put this in the oven and cook it for 20 minutes. Dad, could you please put it in the oven for me?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Yay! My biryani is gonna be cooked. So the side dish for biryani is raita. So raita is yogurt with some chopped up onions, carrots, and cucumber. And also we have pepper and some pickles. Dad, it's ready. Can you take it from here. So now I'm gonna open it. So it's hot, so be careful. It smells extremely delicious and looks super. So instead of directly putting the biryani on your plate, we are going to do it on a restaurant style. So first you need like any cup or any shape that you like. So I'm using circle. And then first a little part, you need to just mix that little part. And then when you finish mixing it, you just need to put it on your box, whatever you're using. And when you think it's like a little full, just tap it with your spoon. And then see, mine's not done yet, so I can just put some more. Okay, now that's finished. Now that's done. Now we need to flip it. And 3, 2, 1, go. So when you flip it, just move it to one corner and then slowly take it off. Wow! This came in a great shape and yeah, it looks so good. Now I'm gonna garnish this. So first I'm gonna get some coriander leaves and put it around my shape. And then I'm gonna get a nut and put it in the middle, and also a few raisins. That looks awesome. Now there's gonna be a surprise. I'm gonna put all the side dishes and show you. So first, the pickle, the raita, egg, and papad. Yay! This is my meal. I can't wait to have it. Hope you like this video, and if you do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Sravya signing off.